Hello friends of the internet, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, it would really help me out. And also, I'm going to include a link in the description to this air filter, and it would really help me out if you use my link. I'd really appreciate it. So I'm going to show you real quick here how to change the cabin air filter. In this case, we're in a 2008 Toyota Sienna, but it should work for any of the second generation Sienna, and it's probably almost the same in the third gen. So let's get to it. All right, we're going to see just how quick we can do this. As you can see, we are on the passenger side. Let's try and get that into frame a little better. So we're going to open the glove box, and you're going to see if you just kind of I just kind of squeeze on the door a little bit on either side, just kind of press in, and that will just kind of pull this back, and you can actually just pull this whole thing out of the way. So I'd recommend doing that. As you can see, that gives you really good access here. And I'll try and get you a little bit lower here. So now that you can see the inside. And right here is going to be our offender. And all you do is just kind of pull those tabs. You can yank the whole thing out. Now last night I happened to pull this out and I gave it a little shake out. And there were like mouse turds in there. So yeah, that's not good. So this has got to go. And so I'm just going to pull it out of the, just want to kind of get it past these tabs here. Ugh, it's so gross, dude. There we go. There we go. I just don't want too much of this stuff to land in the van. I'm just doing it in here so that you can see, friends of the internet. So I could do it quicker if I weren't being as careful. But they're like mouse turds in this thing, so ugh. So we're gonna just toss that outside for a minute. I will throw that away properly once I'm done shooting. And so here we are. This is the Fomoda air filter. Now there are a bunch of different brands. This one I picked because it wasn't very expensive, and it also seemed to be pretty high quality. And really, it doesn't matter so much what brand you use as long as you change it regularly. But I always look for a good MERV rating. So hopefully this one fits the bill. And we notice on the other filter, the airflow arrow was pointing down. So, and as you can see, that's where the blower motor is. So it's going to be sucking air right on down to there. So now we're going to take the little housing here. And I'm just going to try not to bend all of the things there, but there, that's fine. You know, it's not rocket science. Get her done. So, as you can see, arrow faces up, airflow faces down, and boom. Just make sure that's locked into place. And then we're going to take the glove box, and we're going to just line up. It's a little hard because I got my tripod right here, but still, everything just kind of lines into place. Give it a little squeeze. You can see. Boom. Done. That is all there is to it. All right, there you have it. I hope that was informative. Like I said, if you found this helpful, please help me out. Just hit that subscribe. It won't cost you anything. You don't even have to watch any more of my stuff, but it would really help. Also, order one of those air filters using my link. Also a huge help. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all very soon in the next one. Stay driven.
Perfect.